Hey there, this is Steve from New Finish Columbia Detailing. How are you? I bet you're doing good. Thanks for stopping by. I'm being weird today, I don't know why. Anyway, so today we're going to have a little discussion about the LC500 Lexus. It's a great car. I recently got a chance to detail one. I had about 1,500 miles on it. It's silver, black leather and Alcantara interior. It's pretty much like a spaceship. Door cards, didn't know they were carbon composite. Trunk carbon composite. Some of the sills are carbon composite. A lot of carbon composite on that car. The hood's probably, but it's painted. I don't know. Do you know? Let me know. Anyway, so if you haven't been here before, this is the New Finish Columbia Detailing YouTube channel. We're going to talk about cars, detailing, driving on the track, guns. I don't know, I like guns, I like cars, I like food. So, what do you guys think so far? Nobody's commented yet. I've only had 2 videos, so I don't know. Let me know. I like doing this. I like talking to people. I like talking about cars. I'm real passionate about it. So anyway, let's get to it. So full ceramic, wheels, barrels, faces, calipers, paint, windows, glorious car. Turned out awesome. Customer was super stoked about it. So here's the pictures and the video. So if you're curious about ceramic coating, or you want to know more about it, or the process that I use, or whatever, give me a comment down below. I'll respond, promise. Let me know what you think, what your questions are, and as always, if you like what I'm doing, you think I'm funny or weird or whatever, please subscribe. I do weird stuff. I don't know. I spent a long time introverted, and now I'm a little extroverted, so you be the judge.